got first snow. Let's see how's the Pontiac gonna handle the icy, wet snow. Let's warm it up a little bit. And hopefully I'm gonna be able to find a parking lot so I can do a few donuts. If I'm gonna make it down the driveway. Pretty much like ice skating, but it handles pretty good. A lot of curbs on this parking lot. Riding G8 on a snowy day like this, it's not the best idea, so I'm just going back home. Without the traction control, forget about it. I'm going 20 miles an hour and I can feel that my rear end is going sideways.